everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got one of 3 videos I'm going to be sharing with you. They're only going to be a couple of minutes each, but in each of them I'm going to be showing you a brand new Christmas cracker from Next. This is their Merry and Bright Christmas cracker. It retails for £22 and it has a value of £69. There is 8 new crackers ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and also men's grooming. So if you're interested in this one or any of the others, then as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside this one. I unboxed a couple of them last year and I just thought they just make really great like last minute gifts, secret Santas, things like that, you know, and they just look gorgeous. I love the actual design of them as well. They look pretty cute. It looks like we've got 1 full size and 3 travel sizes, but they're still good sizes, and a muslin cloth. The muslin cloth goes with this one. This is Liz Ale Cleanse and Polish. It's a hot cloth cleanser. Deeply cleanses and gently exfoliates for radiant, clearer looking skin. Cocoa butter and eucalyptus. And there's 50 mils there. This is a gorgeous cleanser. And here is the big muslin cloth. So yeah. So that goes with the cleanser. Then we got Elemis. This is a Pro Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator, a skin smoothing exfoliator, and there's 15 mils there. This is really nice. I've currently got the full size down below in my bathroom. You apply it to damp skin and then you just rinse off straight away. So it's great for getting rid of dead skin cells and it leaves your skin really super soft as well. Then we have got Emma Hardy. This is the Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It's hydrating. It helps decrease the appearance of fine lines, helps to improve firmness and elasticity, helps to tighten, smooth and lift. There's 30 mils here, so a really nice big size there. It says, take a small amount of product, warm between the fingertips and smooth over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Can be used morning and evening for smooth, radiant skin. Yeah, and these products smell lovely as well. But at the moment, I can't smell anything. My sense of smell is gone. We got the Inky List, and this is a retinol eye cream. I haven't tried this one before. It's formulated for all, best for first signs of aging, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And yeah, this must be full size, 15 mils. So it'd be nice to try that. So yes, it got extra information on the back here. A derivative of vitamin A. This ingredient helps to promote skin renewal and support natural collagen production. So these are all the products in the Merry and Bright skincare cracker. In all honesty, I think this one is the better one so far out of the 3 that I've bought. After you've seen all 3 of them, if you do want to see all 3 of them, and you'd like to see me do more, then as always, please let me know. But no, I really do like this one and would make a really nice gift for someone. As always, let me know what you think and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.